So we have the meme coins, especially with the oil narrative trending and making people a lot of money. A lot of tokens has made money, and now I'm giving you another token which can actually make you money if you are early and if you're quick to take profit. This is the one for you. It is called as SAOS or Strategic American Oil Supply, which is basically a meme coin. Of course, the website is good. They have smart contract, everything, and this one is now actually trading at a price of 6 million MCAP, which is quite good given the fact it started just a week back at around 2 million MCAP, making a 3x gain already and rising, by the way. And the interesting part is most of my platinum members entered this trade and actually made a good amount of money, and some of them are still holding on to it. So, with that, let's dive in. Let's talk about SAOS and see the price action, and of course, analyze, is it the right time to enter? Can you make money? And if you want to make money, how much money you can make from this token? So let's dive in. So we start with looking at the smart contract. So you can see this is a smart contract, and you can see the holders are already rising 9533, which is kind of okay because these meme coins go beyond 10k holders and many of them crosses 20k holder. So I believe there's still time if we look at this matrix, which is holder. Second thing we look at is holders count. So top 10 are holding 14% of supply, which is good. But for these meme coins, you should also know that such meme coins always pump and dump. If you're following my videos, if you're following my channel, if you're following my strategies, which I share in my public and platinum group, well, you know how to trade this and how to make money. So if you go back here, we will check the most important part, and that is called as bubble maps. So this will give an idea where the tokens stand and does it have potential to rug or not. So clearly this is a big cluster which is holding 34% supply. This one is holding around 4% supply. By the way, if you want to master such art, you should join my platinum. The link is shared in the join button below. Join it, be part of platinum, join my platinum telegram group, and you will surely make money trading this and other tokens. Now going back, you can see here it's already kind of clustered with total cluster holding at around, I think this should be close to 40%, let's say. So that means if they want, if this guy, this is a single entity, if it dumps a token, the token is going to crash, right? And of course, every day it is pumping, which means the trend is kind of manipulative. So your job is to make money when it trends. How far it can trend? Well, let me just tell you. Just look at the market cap, $6 million, and usually, when a token like this hits 6 million M cap, it will go to 8 to 10 million cap 90% of the time. So, you have time to invest in the token. The volume is good, the transactions are good, and of course, the holders are good. So, overall, it can be invested, but it should be quick in and out. The moment you make money, let's say from current price point to let's say to a million more M cap, you should book profit. Do not hold it, waiting for it to hit 10 cent or maybe a dollar. It will never happen. So your job is to make money quickly, and that is why such tokens are here to make you money quickly. Do not wait till the end. Book profit as soon as you're profitable. That is the way to make money in this token, or be very early. My platinum members are actually very early, and we actually buy the bottom, the launch day that I share with them. So this is about the SOS token. I think there's still time, there's still fuel, and they have a deadline of June 1st, and that indicates there's 1 week more to go for this token. But again, book profit early, wait for it to hit around 8 million cap or maybe close to 8 to 10, and then book profits and get out. So that's about it. Let's meet tomorrow in the new video, new content, and make sure to subscribe, press the bell icon if you haven't already, and join my Telegram, guys. The link of which is here in the description, and join Platinum. Thank you.